I'm sitting here with my friend Leslie.
Hello.
And I've got a new plate. We have a brand new plaid plate that we are launching and wanted to show you a few cool little things you can do with it. It's really quick and easy.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So I'm going to start with my favorite color, Sassy Monster, number 44. Now I'm going to be challenged to remember the names of these other ones because my Megan's not here to tell me the names of everything. But I have my Leslie, so.
Magnolia.
Magnolia is the yellow one.
Yep. And
now when you're picking, oh sorry, go ahead.
oh no, it's okay. And soft bloom.
Soft bloom. All right. Perfect. Okay, so that one I just went ahead and picked up because we were chatting away. But I'm going to show you a little trick for picking up lines, because lines can be a little bit intimidating when you're picking them up with a stamper because they go all wavy, or can go all wavy when you pick them up if you pick them up the wrong way. So I just used this guy. Now I'm going to go just to the left of it and use one that's a little bit finer, and I'm going to do that in the Magnolia, the yellow. And I'm going to use all four because I'm going to go the other direction. So I want to be able to cover top to bottom. What I'm doing here, I know I'm only going to have a couple of these to cross. So I'm not actually going to put polish all the way across. I just don't want to waste polish. So, all right. So right after you scrape, light scrape, when you lift, go from left to right. So go across the stripes, not with them. Does that make sense? I'm trying to figure out what I'm trying to say.
Makes sense.
Okay, hopefully I'm in frame here. So now I'm going to lay this down going the opposite direction because we're making plaid. So there's our second color. Now they're really fair and light, but it's so pretty when it's done.
Super cute.
So pretty when it's done. Okay, so now I'm going to do my third color, the soft bloom. But instead of using these serrated ones, you can hear when I scrape, you can hear they're serrated. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I think you can see the little lines in the lines. But I'm going to use just the solid one here to do a little bit of a different effect over top of our two that we've already laid down. And then again, we're going to go across to pick up. See that? And then they come out nice and straight. And I want to lay this right beside, actually I'm going to go to this side of my greens. Take your time going in. Get it positioned where you want it. I decided to go to the left. I usually go to the right, but I went to the left just so that I could get two of them on.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that so pretty?
So pretty.
And so easy. It's like 3 stamps and you've got custom plaid. So now let's do something to go with it. We've got these cute little crosshatch guys down here. So I'm going to do this, and I think I'm going to use the same colors. We're going to do a coordinating mani. I'll start with the Sassy Monster on one. So these two guys go together here. And I like to put together these little videos so that you can actually see what goes with what. Because sometimes you look at our plates and you think, what? What is that for? Or you just look at it and think it's, you know, an image, but don't realize its potential. Yeah. So we'll put that guy down first. Even that's pretty.
Yeah.
If you wanted something simple.
Yeah, those two together looks really good.
Yeah. Yeah, the coordinating stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to use, I love the pink and the green together. So this is soft bloom. And we're going to use him with this guy. I'm just using a lint roller to clean, as you can see. Light scrape. Super light on the pickup. Now, here, you want, you know what? I don't actually like that pickup. It's decent, but there's a few little voids in some of these bars. So let's try that again. I'll show you a little trick. If you're getting little teeny tiny bubbles when you're picking up, what I want you to do is pay attention to the direction that you're putting your polish on. So if I apply my polish, I want to scrape down. So I'm going to apply my polish this time going up. And then I'm going to scrape going up. So if you picture bubbles, if I scrape against it, I could put air into it. right?
Yeah.
So if you scrape the opposite direction, yeah, that's much better. Okay, so now I'm going to take my time, because this can kind of mess with your eyes a little bit, because there's zigs and zags going all different directions. So take your time, aim, and just slowly drop it down. And as you're dropping it down, you can kind of correct if you've twisted a little bit and get everything in where you want it. And you have a really pretty little crosshatch or basket weave design. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do one more here for this look. And the other two nails, I'd probably just leave one blue and maybe do the other one just the Sassy Monster, just the green. Here, I'll even slide that in there. Just to create that kind of finished look. I don't necessarily stamp every single nail.
I was going to say, you don't need to stamp all the nails.
No, exactly. So this one, I'm going to do a little marble look on our houndstooth. Just pop in a few little dots here and there of all the colors that we've used, all the colors we used on that pretty little plaid anyway. And then we're just going to do one scrape if we can. I always try and just do one scrape, because if you scrape more than once, then it's going to blend together even more. So there's our nice light scrape. Let's see how we pick up. Ooh, I love it. Okay. And in we go. Hopefully we got enough to cover. Okay, there's one little missing spot up in that corner. Watch what I'm going to do. Clean it off a little bit. A little bit more. Hopefully we're not too dry yet. And then I'm just going to tuck that guy onto that missing spot. Just like that.
Cute.
There we go. So we'll pop this guy in. And there's our little Manny.
Beautiful.
Yeah, simple,
Yeah, that's
cute,
so cute.
and so fast to put together. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now.